Okay, what we're going to do in this video now is we're going to work on more finding mass, so mass problems 2. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through a couple exercises. So let's work on number 1. Okay, let's find the mass of an unknown bracket. Okay, this bracket here is 200 millimeters long and it is 100 millimeters wide, and the thickness of it is 10 millimeters. Okay, so I want you to find the mass. Now this block is made of copper. Alright, so let's work on our first thing. The very first thing that we must do is look at our equation. So in our data book, we're going to go down and find the density of material is equal to mass over volume. So P is equal to mass over volume. Alright, now the density of copper, let's look that up. So here is copper, and our density is 8,930 kilograms per cubic meter. Okay, so we can plug in here. Density is equal to 8,930 kilograms per meter cubed. Okay, and now we need to find our volume. So let's find the volume of this. So we need to first convert our units. So our length is equal to 100 millimeters here. Now we need to convert that to meters because volume is in meters, cubic meters. So to convert that, okay, we're going to move our decimal spot 3 places to the left. So we now have 0.001 meters. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, our width is 200 millimeters. So if we move our decimal spot 3 places to the left, we now get 0.002 meters. Oops, sorry, I'm screwing this up. Hang on. Sorry, if we move these 3 spots to the left, you get 0.1 meters. And 3 spots to the left, you get 0.2 meters. Alright, now if we get the thickness, so let's call that the height, we have 10 millimeters. So we need to move the decimal spot 3 places to the left. So here's our spot 1, 2, 3. So we need to add a 0 in there. So now we get 0.01 meters. Alright, now volume of a box is equal to length times width times height. So we get length is 0.1 meters times width 0.2 meters times height 0.01 meters. So our volume total is equal to 0.1 times 0.2 times 0.01. So we get 0.0002 cubic meters. So we have our density, we have our volume. Let's plug that in. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Now let's put back our equation. So here's our equation. Alright, we want to solve and find mass. Alright, so what we need to do here is we need to shift the v to the other side of the equation. So we're going to multiply that by v over 1 because it's on the bottom. If you multiply it by the opposite of itself, you've got to do both sides, that's the rule, and you'll see these cancel out. You now get mass is equal to v times p. You can just ignore the 1 on the bottom. So our mass is equal to the volume, 0.0002 cubic meters, times the density, which is 8930 kilograms per meter cubed. And you'll see these cancel out, these units, so you're left with 1.786 kilograms. Okay, it's the mass of that bracket there.